Depression, now again, when we talk about the depression component, depression is multifactorial. We cannot define depression in one line. First thing. पहला तो to define the depression itself is a problem. In Indian, as per the Indian guideline, there is no definition of depression. All the psychiatric disorders actually are dependent on the duration of the symptom. तो यूएस में तो गाइडलाइन है वो 3 महीने का, इंडिया में कौन 3 महीने फॉलो करता है पेशेंट को? यहाँ तो पेशेंट आया उसने बोला मेरा मूड बहुत ही खराब है और मेरे को तो यार बहुत डिप्रेशन है, डॉक्टर साहब बात मत करो मैं बहुत डिप्रेस हूँ आजकल, तो डिप्रेशन हो गया, राइट? बट इफ देयर इज अ डिप्रेशन, so if there's a depression now, yeah, tendency, now if there's a depression, if it's a proven depression, so depression, the first thing is a neurotransmitter. चलो दो चीजों को लेके चलते हैं. Neurotransmitters and hormones are going to affect each other. We all know that. Dopamine, serotonin, adrenaline, noradrenaline, GABA, and hormones, testosterone, estrogen, growth hormone, they affect each other. Right? When you are very happy, I give you an example. Morning I got up, I saw the mirror, I am feeling I am looking very very good, my hairstyle is good, पेट पूरा साफ हुआ अच्छी तरह से, mood is perfect. When the mood is good, hormones are on the peak. फिर जब निकलूंगा जहाँ जाऊंगा जीत के आऊंगा. कहते हैं ना घर में निकलने के पहले मूड मत खराब करो, पूरा दिन खराब हो जाता है हमारा. Hormones are on the peak. Wherever you are going to make any decision making and all, you are doing great. You come back home, you are very charged, right? And then you go for a candlelight dinner on that day, and then whatever, because the hormones are peak. अब वो सुबह सुबह उठते गिर गए, पैर में चोट लग गई, न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर शुक ड्रॉप हुआ आपका, you know you are not feeling good. With that, or the stress, neurotransmitter go up, they suppress your hormone. आप कुछ भी पहन रहे हो, the same clothes you are not feeling good, coming out, you are in fear, आज कुछ गड़बड़ होने वाला है, गलत होने वाला है, गलत होने वाला है, and होता ही है. You take the wrong decision, रात को घर जाते हो, कुछ नहीं किया पूरे दिन, but you are drained out. मैं बहुत थका हुआ, आज मुझे कुछ करने को मन नहीं करता. So they control each other. You got it? Now, when you talk about depression, when you talk about the mental disorders, I should say, their neurotransmitter they are the dominating thing. You have to treat them because hormones here are secondary. The hormone secondary है. यहाँ पर not treating this depression component, whatever, stress management or antidepressant and whatever modality you want to use, recreational and music therapy, this therapy, but correcting that, there are high chances that hormones will automatically do. You may not need to give any hormone to the patient, except for DHEA type of thing, you know. But again, the DHEA will not work like an antidepressant, or estrogen will not work like an antidepressant. You will need that. But if you have a typical endocrine symptom, you are not depressed, you are just feeling low, you are lethargic, you are unmotivated, right? Sexual dysfunction you are having. Although there you may not need an antidepressant. Here you correct your hormones and the neurotransmitter automatically will become better. You got it? It is both ways. What we do sometimes is, patient is coming for depression, we try to treat by hormones. Patient is coming for these issues, just low mood. Low mood is not depression. Okay, low mood, low energy and all those things, and we try to treat them by antidepressant. It is like a crossover. Wrong medication. उसमें क्या होता है? Medicines are criticized by people then. आज लोगों antidepressant are one of the best invention by the medical field, if I am not wrong. लेकिन they are so much criticized about. Reason is they are giving it a wrong time. So let's take care of these two. तो जहाँ अब neurotransmitter के लिए don't have much of the test to do, right? Hormones you can do lot of tests. So here comes that you can do your IGF-1, growth hormone, DHEA, cortisol. तो दो फायदे हैं आपको उसमें. पहला, अगर पैथोलॉजिकल आपको कुछ लेवल दिख रहे हैं, अब cortisol is very high. Now you know this patient is out of your domain. Send the patient to the endocrinologist right away to manage the pathological repercussions. IGF-1 is very high, 800, 900. Patient is having some abnormal feature, the growth hormone excess. Send the patient. It may be acromegaly, maybe a pituitary macroadenoma. So you identify those patients also. That can help you. Second is if it only a physiological thing. With your history, you can take care either by just changing the lifestyle of the patient or if needed by supplementing. Clear?